Our next question, I will take that directly from a model. That is one of the questions of your SAQ, self-assessment question. And it goes thus. If the random variable x follows a Poisson distribution with parameter lambda, equals to this lambda equals to 1.8, then you have to find one, the mean of the random variable x, two, the variance, and three, the coefficient of variation. We have to find what? The mean of random variable x, one, the variance, two, and the coefficient of variation. So the solution goes towards this solution. Of course, our lambda equals to 1.8. This is very, very simple. If you are asked to find the mean, that's the first question. The mean of the what? Of the random variable x. Don't forget I told us that our mean, for the first question, our mean which has the symbol e into x equals to lambda. And what's our lambda? Our lambda is 1.8. That's the answer. Then B, we're asked to find what? The variance. The variance which has the symbol VAR into x also equals to lambda. And what's our lambda? Lambda is 1.8. Then finally, we have to find the what? The coefficient. The coefficient of variation. And I told us coefficient of variation has this symbol and is defined by what? By standard deviation. That is symbol CV. Standard deviation all over mean times 100 over 1. Now, what is this? This is called standard deviation. So our standard deviation, hello, is the square root of what? Of variance. Square root of variance. Don't forget. And what's our variance? 1.8. So that will be square root of 1.8. And of course, our mean, this is our mean, e into x is already what? Is already 1.8. So how do I do? I'll put these two values in the formula. I'll now say coefficient of variation will now be equals to square root of 1.8 all over 1.8 because these are standard deviation and these are mean times 100 over 1. If you punch calculator very well, you are going to have 74.53% is in percentage.